Okay, so we're all using AI for, well, everything. Schoolwork, coming up with ideas, you name it. But let's be real for a second. How many times have you gotten a smart, actually useful answer versus just some weird robot nonsense? Well, hang on, because I'm going to show you one tiny trick that will completely change the game. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You ask a pretty simple math problem or history question, and the AI comes back with this super confident sounding answer that turns out to be completely and totally wrong. It's so frustrating. But here's a thought. What if the problem isn't just the AI? What if it's us? Or more specifically, how we're asking the questions? This right here is the big idea you gotta get. You're not just chatting with some super smart encyclopedia. Nope. Every single time you type in a prompt, you are giving instructions. You are literally programming this incredibly powerful machine with your words. That's right, you. You're not just some random user asking it stuff. You are in the driver's seat. You have all the power to guide the AI, to direct it, and to make it work for you way more effectively. And the best way to do that? It's with a technique called chain of thought prompting. Now, I know it sounds super technical, right? But I promise you, it's so simple. All it really means is that you're asking the AI for not just the final answer, but for its thinking process. You know, just like in math class when your teacher says, show your work, you're basically telling the AI to think out loud, one step at a time. And the difference this makes, whoa, it is night and day. Just look here on the left, a simple prompt for a logic puzzle gets a completely wrong answer because the AI just kind of guessed. But over on the right, we add one simple little phrase and suddenly, boom, it breaks the problem down, thinks through each step, and totally nails the correct answer. Same AI, but a totally different and correct result. So, how do you do it? It's this easy. First, just type out your question like you always do. Second, at the end, add a little magic phrase. Something as simple as, let's think step by step, works perfectly. Or you could try, explain your reasoning, or break this down into logical steps. The AI will then show you its work, and you can see for yourself if its thinking makes any sense. And this one little trick seriously gives you superpowers. You're going to get way more accurate answers for your homework and projects. You'll be able to spot AI mistakes, what the experts call hallucinations, where the AI literally just makes stuff up from a mile away. You might even find that it helps you think more logically, too. You're not just using a tool anymore, you're actually collaborating with it. This really changes the whole game. You now have the key to unlock so much better, more reliable answers from any AI you use. You're not just a user anymore, you're the programmer. So the only question left is, are you ready to start directing it?